Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. My name is Teacher Otis. What's your name?
My name is Amy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
And what's your hobby? What's your hobby? What food do you like? What food do you like?
I
How many people are in your family?
like
Who are they?
father, mother, big brother, and me.
What color do you like?
I like blue and yellow.
Okay, very good. Now look at these pictures and tell me.
With the eye, with face, with the eyes, asleep, with the sleep, with friend, with the face, with
Continue.
the ear, with human, with the head, with watching, with the ear, with bedroom, with the chest, with garden, with the eye, really room, with the ear, with kitchen, with the eye, with 1 o'clock, with the is 1:45, with the is 2 o'clock, with the is 1:30, with the is 1:50, with the is 1:45. Today is 10:30. With the is breakfast. With the is lunch. With the is a snack. Snack. With the is here. With the L is second. With the S is is school. With the A is home. With the O is
Now look at these two pictures. Picture A, picture B. Look and find the difference.
with the I is 5. With the E is 5. Very two that the I is now on table. With the E is this on the table.
What are they doing?
Is the there is 5 9 is 5 and 9 something is 9.
Okay. Now tell me,
Breakfast 7 o'clock. Lunch is 7:30. Snack is 5:50. Here is 7:45. Breakfast is 7 o'clock. See, lunch is 12:45. See, next is 4:30. See, here is 50.
what's his or her favorite subjects?
Is
Eh?
her you. Mm-mm.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Is that the show?